Hey guys, so I just got my first Honda Grom clone. As you can see, this thing looks pretty good. It is a 2023. Don't know if you guys can see anything, by the way, but let's turn the bike on. If you guys can see that, bike has 1,092 miles. It's pretty sweet if I do say so myself. This is my second day riding it. Let's see. She didn't want to start on me the first time when I tried it earlier, because it's a little chilly outside today, but let's see. Oh, kill switch again. She wants to run nice. Give her a second. Fix my clothes. I don't even know if you guys